Sue Frederickson, what is the status of her?
She was terminated at the end of September. She's a former office manager for the fair.
Why was she terminated?
Well, after an internal review, the Fair Board decided that it was in the best interest of the fair for a number of reasons. I can generalize them to failure to follow fair policies and procedures.
Are we talking financial?
I'm going to leave it at that.
Okay. So where do we go from here? There was a name-clearing hearing tonight. Is this fairly new in the process?
Yeah, it's an evolving area of the law. It's one that, after discussions with our insurance carrier, they recommended we offer her a name-clearing hearing, which we did, and we thought she would be attending tonight, and for whatever reason decided not to.
Had you visited with her, and did she say she was going to come?
Yeah, I talked to her on the phone a couple of times, as late as middle of last week. She indicated at that point that she thought she was going to be here.
What happens next?
I'll try and follow up with her, but not necessarily anything. There's not really a particular next event in the process.
So the investigation proceeds?
Yeah, that's still ongoing.
Who's doing the investigation?
I don't want to talk anymore about the investigation at this point.
Question, Gary Wertz, chairman of Yamhill County Fair. Your reaction, Sue Frederickson did not show up, did not come to the meeting. She had expressed the desire to come. What's your reaction?
Well, I'm sorry she didn't come, but we move on from now. We move on. This is just one step in the, stair steps to making this place even bigger, better, and greater. I think it's the facility now that the county can be proud of. It wasn't always that way. We have a good fair manager that has brought us along, and sometimes dragging, kicking and screaming, but we have changed this around to where this is by far one of the best facilities around. And we're gonna, obviously it's with us pulling people in from Washington County and other neighboring counties.
Do you think you were justified in your decision with Frederickson?
Yes, I am.
No comment?
No, that's about all I can say. I know I'm justified. I don't normally do stuff like that and let someone go unless it need to be done. And not following the procedures as lined in the papers that you can get from the county. You can see why we did.